Water, 3rd standard, Unit 2, Term 2, Science. Rhyme time. Water, water. A thirsty bird from far away looked for water on its way. Empty ponds and lakes dry, everywhere did it try. Suddenly it spotted a dripping tap. A boy, carelessly leaving it open, was walking away. The bird flew down and ran. To the little boy it said, "Water is precious, do not waste it. Close the tap after you drink." The boy realized and said sorry. He closed the tap and went satisfied. The bird flew on singing a happy song. Water, a primary source of life. Water is one of the most important resources on earth. All living things like small organisms, plants and animals need water to survive. People use water for various purposes. Rain is one of the main sources of water. Observe the picture and fill in the blanks. We need water to wash our face. We need water to brush our teeth. We need water to cook our food. We need water to wash our vessels. We need water to drink. Tick the activities for which water is needed. To grow plant, to paint pictures, to row a boat, to knead dough, to wash dress. Name any 4 activities which you can do without water. To play, to sing, to run a fan, to write. Here we are going to discuss about potable water. So what is potable water? Drinking water is known as potable water. Potable water is water that is good to drink and is useful for food preparation. Now how potable water should be? It should be free from dangerous chemicals. It should be transparent, odorless and colorless, free from bacteria which cause diseases. Now, what are the different sources of drinking water? Water is available in many natural sources, but not all the water sources are suitable for drinking. Water should be boiled to kill the germs in it, and only then it is suitable for drinking. A few sources of water are rain, well, river, lake and stream. Now let's rearrange the jumbled letters to find out different sources of water. First is lake, then we have well, pond, sea, stream, ocean. Now observe the picture, put a tick for the water which is good for drinking. The first one is hand pump, good for drinking. Second one is boiled water, good for drinking. The fourth one is boiled cooled water, good for drinking. Then we have river water. After purification, it will be good for drinking. We have well water, good for drinking, and stream water, good for drinking. Now try to answer. I freeze when I am cold and I fall softly as snow. I melt in the sun and down the mountain I flow. Who I am? I am water. Why should we save water? Only 3% of the water in the entire earth is fresh water. And water is very precious, so we should never waste it. Now here are some methods to prevent wastage of water. Never allow water to overflow from buckets. Wash fruits and vegetables in a bowl of water and not under running tap water. Always close the taps while brushing the teeth. Use leftover water in your water bottle to water a potted plant. Turn off the tap after each use. Use a sprinkler to water the garden. Answer the following questions by putting a tick. This is for you to do at home. So you need to check out which one do you use to drink water at home and put a tick on it. Same goes with the next one. Which of these is used to store water at your home? So you need to tick the one which is there at your home. And then where do you get your water from? The same goes here also. Now, conservation of water bodies. Now, all the water that we get comes from rain. And when it rains, some water flows over the ground, giving rise to streams and rivers. Some water gets collected in low-lying areas such as ponds and lakes. And the flow of the river is blocked by building a dam across it. And some rainwater seeps into the ground as underground water. Now let's talk about lake. What is lake? It is large area filled with water surrounded by land. It is usually a part of a river or some other water source. Then we have pond. A pond is a body of stagnant water, either natural or artificial. It is smaller than a lake. Now we have reservoirs. These are built in areas of low rainfall or in areas where there is no major river. Most of reservoirs are built using stones. Now, Satyamurthy Reservoir located at Tiruvallur district is in Pundi village. Then we have tanks. A water tank is a container for storing water for our daily use. Now, what are the methods to conserve water bodies? Deepening of ponds and lakes, planting trees at the bank of the lake and pond, reducing water pollution, avoid digging too many wells in a region. What are the problems caused due to stagnation of water? Now, stagnant water can become a breeding ground for the mosquitoes, and these mosquitoes transmit diseases. Malaria and dengue fever are the main dangers of stagnant water. Again, waterborne diseases like cholera, dysentery, typhoid are caused by drinking unclean water. Now, what are the symptoms of dengue fever? Severe headache, rashes on the arms and the legs, extreme tiredness, sudden onset of fever that lasts 3 to 7 days. Now we have activities. Which activities save water? If true, put tick. If it is false, put a cross. We should wash our vehicles every day. False. Planting more trees leads to rainfall. True. We can bathe in shower to save water. False. It is necessary to collect rainwater. True. Look at the pictures and answer the following. If we fill them with water, which will contain less water? Answer is B. Which will contain more water? Answer is A. Choose the correct answer. Which is the main source of water? Rain. Dash of the water in the entire earth is fresh water, 3%. By dash water we can kill the germs, boiling. Which of these is not true? We should always waste water. Where does the rainwater go after falling on the ground? So answer is all of them, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fill in the blanks. Drinking water is known as potable water. Water that collects in the low-lying areas is called lake. It is our responsibility to keep the public water resources clean. The largest source of water in the earth is sea. Circle the odd one. Lake, hill, pond, sea, hill. Lily, lotus, rose, water hyacinth, rose. Fish, horse, tiger, cow, fish. Bathing, combing, swimming, washing, combing. Right, true or false? Living things do not need water. False. Saving water is our duty. True. Always close the tap while brushing teeth. True. A tank is a large area to store water compared to reservoirs. False. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. Write any 3 different sources of water: rain, river, lake, well. Write the symptoms of dengue: severe headache, rashes on the arms and the legs, extreme tiredness, sudden onset of fever that lasts 3 to 7 days. Write any 2 diseases that is spread by mosquitoes: malaria and dengue. Answer the following. Why is water known as primary sources of water? Water is one of the most important resources on earth. All living things need water to live. Suggest some ways to save water at home. Always close the taps while brushing the teeth. Use leftover water in your water bottle to water a potted plant. Turn off the tap after each use. Use a sprinkler to water the garden. List out the ways to conserve water bodies: deepening of ponds and lakes, plant trees, reduce water pollution.